The air is thick and heavy under a jungle moon, every breath filled with the scent of damp earth and wild blossoms. The moonlight filters through the dense canopy, casting a silver glow over the tangled wilderness. Shadows stretch across the tangled roots and broad leaves, creating a patchwork of darkness and light that hides countless secrets. Suddenly, a branch bends with slow, patient movement. Something big is slithering above. The silence is broken only by the faint rustle of scales against bark. Deep in the brush, a wild boar snorts and roots for food, its powerful snout digging through the undergrowth in search of tender roots and fallen fruit. The jungle is quiet, but not for long. Danger and drama are just seconds away, and every creature can sense the tension in the air. Every sound seems louder at night. Cicadas scream, frogs croak. The chorus of insects and amphibians fills the darkness, a reminder that the jungle never truly sleeps. The wild boar's nose twitches as it digs for roots, completely absorbed in its search, unaware of the eyes watching from above. It doesn't know it's being watched. Every movement is being tracked, every sound analyzed by a silent predator. High above, golden eyes gleam, unblinking and focused, waiting for the perfect moment to strike. The reticulated python waits, muscles coiled, silent as mist. Its patience is legendary, its strike deadly. The boar is strong, but the python is patient. Both are survivors, shaped by countless nights like this one. Here, in the wild, every animal must stay alert. One wrong move can mean life or death. Instincts are sharpened by the constant threat of danger. The stage is set for a jungle showdown, a true battle between two titans, each with their own strengths and strategies. Who will win when strength meets stealth? The answer isn't simple. In the jungle, victory often comes down to timing and luck. Each animal brings its own skills to this high-stakes contest. The boar's brute force and the python's cunning are both on display tonight. Let's step into their world and see what makes them such incredible survivors. In this moonlit jungle, every night is a test of wit, strength, and survival. In the wild, survival is never easy. Every creature faces challenges daily. Food doesn't come from a store, it must be hunted, found, or fought for. Enemies are everywhere, and the law of the jungle is simple: eat or be eaten. Only the strongest, smartest, or sneakiest survive. Some animals use speed to escape danger. Others rely on sharp teeth or claws. Some blend in with their surroundings, while a few, like the python, use patience and ambush. Each method is unique, and every animal must master its own tricks to live another day. Fights in the jungle are rare but fierce. Animals usually avoid risky battles, but sometimes paths cross, and there's no choice. When that happens, it's a test of strength, skill, and willpower. The winner eats. The loser may not live to fight again. Now, let's meet our two main players in this wild drama, the reticulated python and the wild boar, and see what makes them so special. The reticulated python is one of the longest snakes in the world. Some can reach over 20 feet in length. With patterned scales that look like woven nets, this snake blends perfectly into the jungle. It lives in Southeast Asia, hiding in trees, swamps, and rivers. Pythons are not venomous. They don't need to be. Instead, they use strong muscles to wrap around their prey and squeeze. This move is called constriction. With every breath their victim takes, the python squeezes tighter, quickly making escape impossible. Their jaws can stretch wide, allowing them to swallow animals much bigger than their heads. But pythons aren't perfect. They move slowly on land and can't see well in the dark. If they miss their target, it can take a long time to set up another ambush. Their greatest strength is patience, waiting for the right moment to strike. Despite their power, pythons face danger too. A wrong move can leave them injured or hungry for days. They must be careful, quiet, and clever. Wild boars seem tough because they are. These animals are found in forests across Asia, Europe, and even some parts of the Americas. Adult boars stand about 3 feet tall and can weigh over 300 pounds. They have thick, bristly fur and a shield of tough skin on their shoulders, nature's armor. The wild boar's most famous weapon is its tusks. These sharp, curved teeth can slice through roots, enemies, and even trees. When threatened, a boar charges with surprising speed, aiming those tusks at anything in its way. They're not just strong, they're stubborn and brave too. Boars are clever about finding food. They dig for roots, grubs, and even small animals. Their powerful snouts can turn over rocks and logs. But boars aren't just hunters. They're also targets for big cats, crocodiles, and yes, pythons. Their tough attitude and weapons help them survive, but every day in the jungle is a risk, even for a boar. Imagine a muddy clearing beside a slow-moving river, deep in the heart of the rainforest. The ground is soft and uneven, shaped by countless animal tracks and the steady drip of water from the canopy above. Vines hang low, twisting together like ropes, and tall grass hides the ground, making every step uncertain. The thick undergrowth muffles sound, adding to the sense of mystery and danger. The air smells of wet earth and old leaves, a rich, heavy scent that fills your lungs. Every breath reminds you that this place is alive, teeming with unseen creatures. It's the kind of place where danger can sneak up from any side. Shadows shift and move, and every rustle could mean a predator is near. Here, both boar and python are at home, perfectly adapted to this wild, unpredictable world. The wild boar enters first, searching for roots by the water's edge. Its snout digs into the mud, turning over stones and sniffing for anything edible. It grunts and digs, not seeing the silent shape above, completely unaware of the eyes watching from the trees. The python rests on a thick branch, almost invisible against the bark, its patterned scales blending perfectly with the shadows. It's been waiting for hours, using its perfect camouflage and patience, knowing that a single mistake could cost it a meal. Tonight, it's hungry enough to try for big prey. The python's muscles tense, ready to strike at just the right moment. Suddenly, a twig snaps under the boar's hoof. The python freezes, every sense focused on its target. Will it strike now, or wait for a better chance? The boar's nose twitches, picking up a scent it can't quite place. It senses something, but can't see the danger. The jungle is full of secrets, and tonight, one of them is watching from above. Both animals are at risk, each aware that the next few moments could change everything. For the boar, a mistake could be deadly. One wrong move, and it could become prey in an instant. For the python, a missed strike will mean no meal tonight, and maybe a painful wound if the boar fights back. This is the perfect setup for a jungle battle. A silent standoff where every second counts. Each animal is ready, senses sharpened, muscles coiled. In this ancient jungle, only one will come out on top, and the outcome will be decided in a heartbeat. In a flash, the python drops from its branch, its movement almost silent, blending perfectly with the dense jungle shadows. The air is thick with tension as the predator makes its move. Its powerful body coils like a whip, aiming for the boar's thick, muscular neck. Every muscle in the python's body is primed for the strike, its eyes locked on its prey. The boar squeals and leaps sideways, hooves kicking up mud in a frantic spray. It spins, tusks slashing through the air, determined to defend itself at all costs. The python's jaws snap forward with lightning speed, but the boar's hide is tough, and its movements are quick and unpredictable, making it a difficult target. The python manages to wrap itself around the boar, trying to squeeze tight, its coils tightening with every breath the boar takes. The boar bucks and twists violently, shaking the snake side to side, refusing to surrender to the python's crushing grip. Blood drips where sharp tusks cut into scaly flesh, staining the jungle floor. The struggle grows more desperate with every passing second. The python squeezes harder, muscles rippling under shimmering scales, pouring all its strength into the deadly embrace. It knows it must end this quickly, before the boar's resistance becomes too much to handle. But the boar is no easy target. Its wild spirit and raw power make it a formidable opponent, unwilling to back down. It uses its tusks like swords, stabbing at the python's body with precision, each strike a testament to its will to survive. With a loud grunt, it slams the snake against a tree, using every ounce of its strength to break free from the python's hold. For a moment, both animals freeze, each one hurt, each one desperate, locked in a tense standoff as they catch their breath. The boar's breathing is rough, nostrils flaring, but it's still fighting, refusing to give in to exhaustion or pain. Who will give up first? The outcome hangs in the balance, the jungle holding its breath. The python's strength is in its relentless squeeze, a force of nature that can crush bone and suffocate even the strongest prey. The boar's strength is in its spirit and sharp weapons, its tusks gleaming, eyes burning with determination. It's a battle of muscle against might, instinct against instinct, where only the strongest will survive in the unforgiving jungle. Jungle stories tell of pythons catching and eating wild pigs. Sometimes the snake wins, wrapping up the boar and swallowing it whole. But these battles are never easy. Boars have been known to escape, leaving deep cuts on the python's body. In some cases, locals have found pythons dead after a fight. The boar's tusks can punch holes through even thick snake scales. On the other hand, there are stories of missing piglets and giant snakes with bulging bellies found days later. Nature is full of surprises. Wildlife researchers have seen both victories and defeats. Sometimes, the python's attack is perfect, with a quick strike and perfect aim. Other times, the boar's strength and stubbornness win the day. Both animals risk injury, and both can lose. No two fights are the same. The jungle writes its own rules, and luck can change in an instant. Let's compare these two animals. The reticulated python's main weapon is its powerful body. Its squeeze can stop even a big animal from breathing. Its camouflage lets it strike from hiding and avoid danger. But the python is slow on the ground and can't take many injuries. The wild boar's strengths are its speed, thick skin, and deadly tusks. It can turn and charge quickly, making it hard to catch. A boar's bite isn't strong, but its tusks can tear open flesh. Its stubbornness is legendary. Boars rarely give up, even when hurt. Both animals are tough. The python has patience and stealth. The boar has courage and armor. Each has tools for attack and defense. The outcome depends on who gets the first move and how well they use their weapons. No animal is perfect. Sometimes strength wins. Sometimes cleverness or toughness is more important. So, who would win in this jungle showdown? The answer isn't easy. If the python gets a perfect strike, it might wrap up the boar before it can fight back. But if the boar senses danger and attacks first, its tusks could end the battle quickly. Sometimes the boar escapes, wounded but alive. Other times, the python gets its meal. Most experts say size and surprise matter most. A small boar could be easy prey. A big tough boar might be too much for even a giant snake. In the jungle, every battle is different. Both animals have survived for millions of years by using their skills wisely. What do you think? In a real-life jungle fight, which animal do you believe is stronger, the patient python or the fearless boar? The jungle is full of surprises, and your guess is as wild as the story itself.